these friendly reminders for everyone. So as you can see on the slide, number 1, be prepared. Have your notebook and ball pen to take down notes when needed. So the second one, turn on camera. So if you want class to turn on your camera, then much better. So I can see you. We can see each other. Dress appropriately. Wear something comfortable but presentable. Your microphone. So anyway, you can use the raise hand button if you want to talk or if you want to say something later on. Okay? And for the last reminder, enjoy learning. Be participative and enjoy this kind of learning. Okay? Any question regarding our reminders class?
No, ma'am.
None.
Okay, if none, then I want you to go to your browser and then type join.nearpad.com. Access code is capital letter E, I, T, 2, and G. Already 5 players who have accessed the site. Play this game. Just click your answer in every question. So your goal here is to be the first one to reach the top of the mountain by answering all the questions correctly. Remember that the faster you click the correct answer, the higher the points you shall get. So we can start now. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let the game begins in 3, 2, and 1. You may start answering now, class. What do you call an activity with an observable result? Now, James is already taking the lead. This time, Gerald takes the lead. Okay, this time, Mia is on the top, garnering 1,677 points. Good job. We go, that ends the game, and congratulations to our winner. We also congratulate everyone for doing your best. Anyone who can give me a significant term that they have encountered while playing the game? Yes, Gerald.
Ma'am, outcome.
Okay, we have outcome, and then Jmar also is raising his hand. Aside from outcome, what else?
Sample space.
Sample space, very good.
Ma'am, event.
Ezekiel, yes, Ezekiel, event.
Experiment.
Okay, Jmar, key in his answer in the chat box, sample space. Melwin also answered event. Madeline, experiment, sample space, outcome. Okay. These are the terms that you have encountered while playing the game. You are right in saying that you encountered the word experiment, outcome, sample space, and event. So when we talk about experiment, class, it is an activity with an observable result such as tossing a coin, rolling a die, or choosing a card. And then we have also the outcome. Outcome is a result of an experiment. So say for example, class, if you toss a coin and you get a tail, so tail is your outcome. Okay, can you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
we have also sample space. It is the set of all possible outcomes. So say for example, if I roll a die and then the possible outcomes would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of outcomes is what you call the sample space. And we have also the last term, which is the event. It is the subset of the sample space. So say for example, in rolling a die, we have an event of getting 3. So can you follow, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
your background knowledge
Yes,
about the
ma'am.
terms that you have encountered while ago is needed in understanding the topic, counting the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment. So as we proceed to our discussion class, you are expected to illustrate the different ways to count the number of outcomes in an experiment, solve the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment, and apply the importance of counting in real life situation. So take note, class, that when we say counting the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment, we are actually counting the number of ways, the number of sample space, and the number of outcomes. Okay? So this time, class, I want you to meet my friend, Jane. Do you want to meet my friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is Jane. Jane will celebrate her 18th birthday. But due to the pandemic, she could not have a party. How sad. So she is planning to have a pre-debut photo shoot and post it on her Instagram. Unfortunately, the only remaining clothes on her cabinet are the following. So she have tops here, long sleeve, collar shirt, and blouse. And then for her bottoms, she has skirt, jeans, and short pants. So how many OOTD options can Jane have? So actually, class, in this given problem, making an OOTD is actually an experiment. And since we want to find the number of OOTD, we are actually getting the sample space or the total number of outcomes. And the total number of outcomes would be the number of possible outfit for Jane in her pre-debut photo shoot. So this time, class, I want you to help Jane identify all the possible outfit that she could wear. So anyone who can give me one possible outfit for Jane, you can give your answer or write your answer in the chat box. You can type, I should say, your answer. Or if you wish, you can raise your hand. Yes, Alexa. Kindly give me one possible outfit for Jane.
Ma'am, blouse and skirt.
Okay, blouse and skirt is a perfect combination. What else? Yes, Jaymar.
Ma'am, collar shirt and jeans po.
Okay, collar shirt paired with jeans. Another perfect combination. Yes, Princess.
Ma'am, long sleeve at saka skirt, ma'am.
Okay. How about Alexa?
Ma'am, long sleeve and jeans.
Long sleeve and jeans. Okay, that may do. Yes, Jaymar.
Ma'am, collar shirt and jeans.
Okay, collar shirt and jeans. That was mentioned while ago. How about Madeline? What is your choice for the outfit of Jane?
Ma'am, blouse and jeans po.
Blouse and jeans. Okay. So, are there any remaining outfit aside from what have been mentioned? What else?
Ma'am, collar shirt and
Yes,
short
Alexa.
pants.
Yes, collar shirt and short may do also.
Short
Ma'am,
pants and
blouse,
long.
Jaymar,
blouse and skirt po.
blouse and skirt. Very good. Another option. Melowin.
Short pants and long sleeve.
Short pants and long sleeve. Okay, pwede lang din naman. And actually, class, by the way, how many possible outfit that Jane could have out of the tops and bottoms that she has?
9.
Okay,
Ma'am, 9.
are 9 possible outfit for Jane to choose from. And actually, class, our answer could be presented in 4 different ways. We have the systematic listing. So when we say systematic listing, options are systematically listed without missing any possibility or listing a possibility more than one. So dapat walang nauulit na option, class. That is, if you will use the systematic listing. So, If you're going to use the systematic listing, these are the possible choices that Jane could have for her OOTD. So we have long sleeve paired with skirt, long sleeve paired with jeans, long sleeve and short pants, collar shirt and skirt, collar shirt paired with jeans, collar shirt and short pants. We have also blouse and skirt, blouse and jeans, and blouse and short pants. So that is your systematic listing. Can you follow, class? You just list down all the possible outcomes or possible choices. Okay, can you follow?
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Next one, we have the tree diagram. When we say tree diagram, this method is called tree diagram because the possible outcomes are counted based on stages that are branched out. Okay, so as you can see in the figure, class, counting the branches at the final level would actually give us the same number of possible outfit that we have listed while ago. Can you see on the slide, class? There are still 9 possible choices. So, the same pa rin yung sagot natin. And then, we have also the next way in finding the total number of outcome in an experiment, we have table. Using table, it makes use of rows and columns and counting the number of inner table cells for the total outcome. So, as you can see on the table, class, it's up to you where you want to place the choices for tops and choices for bottoms. Anyway, there are 2 options. It's either on the columns or on the rows. As long as you place all the possible choices on the inner table cells. So as you can see here, class, the inner table cells which are colored blue are actually the number of possible choices for the OOTD of Jane. Okay, that is using table. And for the last way, we have the fundamental counting principle. Okay, so when we talk about fundamental counting principle, it is also called the counting rule. Basically, you multiply the events together to get the total number of outcomes. So by the way, what are the 2 events in our problem while ago? We have the tops and the bottom. So how many tops do we have?
Ma'am, 3.
3. How about
Ma'am, three.
bottoms? 3
Ma'am,
also.
Three po.
So
Three.
applying the fundamental counting principle, class, you just simply multiply the 2 events to get the possible outcome which is equal to 9. Okay, so just simply apply simple arithmetic which is multiplication. So very easy. So again, what are the 4 different techniques wherein we can find out the total number of outcome in an experiment? Anyone who can give all the possible techniques that we can use? Yes, Gerald.
Ma'am, fundamental counting principle,
Yes.
listing method,
Listing
tree diagram,
diagram and
table.
table. Okay, very good. This time, I want you to apply all the techniques that I have presented while ago in answering this problem. So, anyone who can read the problem? Mar, kindly read the problem for us.
Suppose your teacher asks you to look online for some cool trips to beat the summer heat. It so happened that in your FB newsfeed, you saw a newly opened milk tea shop that offers the following products with free delivery and via Food Panda. Sizes are medium, large, and XL. Flavors are winter melon, Oreo, taro, chocolate. What are the possible choices that your sister would have?
Okay, so this time class, I want you to get a piece of paper and then kindly write all the possible choices that your sister could have based from the choices given here. We have the sizes, medium, large, XL, and then flavors, winter melon, Oreo, taro, and chocolate. Using the different techniques that I have presented while ago. So this time, let us have first the listing method. Anyone who can present all the possible choices of milk tea, size and flavors using listing method. Do you have already an answer? Kindly explain your work.
The possible choices that my sister could have is, I could have is medium with winter melon,
Okay.
medium with Oreo, medium with taro, medium with chocolate, large with winter melon, large with Oreo, large and taro, large and chocolate, XL and winter melon, XL and Oreo, XL and taro, XL and chocolate.
So, how many possible choices do we have, Melowin?
12 po.
Okay, there are 12. Very good, Melowin. Let's give a virtual clap for Melowin. Good job. How about using table? Or this time using table. Anyone? Madeline uses tree diagram. Okay, Madeline, kindly explain your work.
Ma'am, winter melon po with medium size, tapos winter melon with large size, winter melon with XL size, Oreo with medium large, Oreo with large size, Oreo with XL large, X, XL, taro with size, taro with large size, taro with XL size, tapos chocolate with medium size, chocolate with large size, tsaka chocolate with XL size po.
Okay, Madeline, if you're going to count all the branches at the final level, how many are there in all?
Ma'am, 12 po.
Okay, so still we got the same answer. Very good, Madeline. Let's Jmar, go ahead.
Ma'am, medium plus winter melon, medium plus Oreo, medium plus taro, medium plus chocolate, large plus winter melon, large plus Oreo, large plus taro, large plus chocolate, and XL plus winter melon, XL plus Oreo, XL plus taro, and XL plus chocolate.
Okay, so how many inner table cells do we have there, Jmar? If you're going to
Ma'am,
count.
12 po.
Okay, 12. Same answer. Very good, Jmar. This time, may I have Lawrence to present his solution. Kasi kanina, I think Jmar is encountering internet connection problem kasi hindi siya naka-open ng cam. So I think Lawrence have the same solution also. So Lawrence, kindly present to us your solution.
Medium and winter melon, medium and Oreo, medium and taro, medium and chocolate, large and winter melon, large and Oreo, large and taro, large and chocolate, XL and winter melon, XL and Oreo, XL and taro, XL and chocolate, ma'am.
Very good, Lawrence. Another round of applause to you. Virtual round of applause. This time, the last technique, which is the fundamental counting principle. Anyone? Yes, Madeline?
Ma'am, yung flavor po is 4 po, tapos sizes 3. Pag multiply lang po ay cost 12 po.
Okay, very good. So, if I am going to ask you, class, among the 4 ways that I have presented, which one is the easiest? Which one is the
Fundamental.
easiest to choose? Yes, to
Ma'am, yung
use.
fundamental.
Why, Gerald?
Ma'am, kasi multiply mo lang tapos meron na agad yung outcome na 12, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, it seems that you are ready for the next activity. I want you to apply what you have learned as we have this activity. Okay, minute to solve it game. So I'm going to read to you the mechanics of the game. The game consists of 3 rounds. Google Form links will be sent to students in every round. So I'm going to send the Google links afterwards in the chat box. So you will be given 60 seconds to answer the question kasi nga minute to solve it. So you have only 60 seconds to answer, and only those students who get the correct answer within 60 seconds will proceed to the next round. Students who were able to finish the challenge will be declared the winners and will be given free load as their prize. So do you want to have a free load?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everybody is ready. Then the game begins in 3, 2, 1, go. You may start answering now, class. Is your answers? 10 remaining seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. Let the game begins in 3, 2, and 1. Lawrence, after our class, just give me your CP number so I can give you your free load.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So, have you learned something today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are, again, the different counting techniques that we can use in identifying the possible outcomes in an experiment? Anyone? Yes, Alexa?
Ma'am, fundamental counting.
What else? Aside from fundamental counting, what are the other 3? Anyone who can give me the 3 remaining techniques? Yes, Melowin?
Table, tree diagram, systematic listing, and fundamental counting principle.
Okay. So, class, I have here a question for you. What is the importance of knowing all the possible options and choices we have in our lives? Do you think that knowing all the possible choices is important in our life, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
ma'am.
why do you say yes? Anyone? Melowin?
Having different choices in life.
Ma'am, para hindi
Oh, wait lang, Jmar. I will give you the chance afterwards. Let's hear first the answer of Melowin. Yes, Melowin, go ahead.
Having different choices in life is an important thing because you can choose instead of remaining a passive audience to your own life.
Okay, very good. Nice answer. How about Jmar?
Ma'am, para hindi magsisi sa huli.
Again?
Ma'am, para hindi magsisi sa huli.
Okay, so having more choices, more chances of having different options para daw hindi magsisi sa huli. Yes, Gerald?
Ma'am, para makapili ka ng magandang choices, ma'am.
Yes. Actually, class, all your answers are correct. Knowing all the options we have in life would actually help us to make the right choice or right decision in life. Always take note that our life is a result of the choice that we make. That's why, let us always do our best to make the right ones. Katulad nga ng sinabi ni Lawrence kanina, let us aim to make the right decision and learn from the wrong decisions that we have done before. Okay? Is that clear, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So at this point in time, I will give you a quiz in order for me to know how well you have gone through our discussion. So whatever the result that you get in this quiz, this will be recorded. So I want you to go to your browser again and type joinmyquiz.com. Okay, this is an online quiz game. 369-882. The code is 369-882. So your quiz starts now. Congratulations, Melowin, Jmar, Madeline, for garnering perfect scores. So with Gerald. So let's give them a virtual round of applause. Any other question regarding our topic for today?
Wala po.
Did you understand our lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since there are no more questions this time, I want you to copy your assignment. You're going to create a 2-minute video presentation showing all the possible options the community could choose from the different items present in your community pantry. So are you familiar with community pantry, class?
Yes po.
Okay, so gather the data needed from your own SK chairman in your barangay in order for you to come up with a presentation showing all the possible options that you could choose from the different items present in your community pantry. So your output will be graded using the following rubric. You can also take a screenshot, class, if that will serve as your performance output for the fourth quarter. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done na?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're already done copying or taking a screenshot of your assignment, that ends our lesson, class. Thank you so much for your participation and have a great day ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.